Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today we have the first of the Antarctic exploration, historic Antarctic exploration coins. It's a bimetallic copper nickel. Oops, get me pointy thing. It weighs 12 grams. It is a diameter of 28.4 millimeters and it was issued this year. And it was issued by the British Antarctic territories. We have the portrait of the Queen, British Antarctic territories around there, and the date of 2022. On the front you have the British Antarctic territories along with its coat of arms there. You have the value of £2. The top third is people in Arctic suits, and then you've got the crossed you've got the cross flags. One is the Union flag and the other one seems to be the flag of England, the St George's Cross. You have, as I say, the British Antarctic Territories logo there. The limit on this carded coin is 2022. Have been issued of these worldwide. I've got the first and the second one. I'll be doing the second one at a later time. What do you think of this coin? If I remember rightly, the British Antarctic Territories is somewhere in the northwestern area of the Antarctic. If I remember rightly, or is it southwestern? Maybe even the southwestern area. I'm not sure if the two people who are pictured and the ships that are pictured are actually the people who are on the top third inside the silver part, the copper nickel part of the coin. I'm not sure that they are, or whether it's just a try and get that. You got, as I say, these people here. I'm not sure if they're the two people pictured. I don't think they are. I think it's just a representation of the people who actually went to Antarctica. This particular coin is the centenary of the final expedition. What do you think of it? Is it a good enough coin? Do you enjoy it? Let me know in the comments below. So, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins like I have with this one, I hope you can find the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I've just had a thought. I said there's the Union flag and there's a cross flag. I wonder if the cross flag is this Norwegian flag that's shown here to represent Amundsen. He may well be, actually, come to think of it. So I apologise, I didn't look at it properly. Let's just have take another look at that flag. Yeah, it does seem to have these outside lines on the coin, actually on the flag here. So it could well be the Norway and British flag, United Union Jack flags, representing the race to the South Pole. I do 4 videos a week and I hope that you find something that you like and enjoy watching. In the meantime, thank you for staying to the end of the video, and I hope Whoops. I hope that you're able to join me again in the very near future on this channel, when we will be having some more coins. So until we do meet up again on this channel, thank you for coming along, and I hope you will subscribe to the channel in the very near future. And until we meet again, thank you, and ta-ra for now. Bye bye.